Give me just 2 minutes and 35 seconds and I will reveal how you can profit from this current crisis. Now, I want to be clear, we're not profiting from people, but this situation. My name is Marcus de Maria and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Investment Mastery, wealth educator and author of the book, How to Profit from Cryptocurrencies. I have trained over 11,000 people across 3 continents on how to create financial freedom for themselves and their families. And in the past few years, I've been a passionate advocate of the future of cryptocurrencies and this innovative monetary system. Now, amidst all this chaos and uncertainty stemming from the coronavirus pandemic, one good thing seems to be gathering steam from the media, and that's cryptocurrencies. Look, we have China, essentially the largest victim of the coronavirus, on the verge of releasing their own cryptocurrency, the digital yuan. They believe this will help with faster transactions, and they're right, and also stop the exchange of physical money to slow down the spread of the coronavirus. We've also heard the latest from America is that the Federal Reserve is also considering creating a digital dollar. Wow! Look, it's clear that now more than ever, this relatively new thing can be the savior and replacement of our current monetary system. Look, I'm sure you've heard of Bitcoin or maybe blockchain, but what is it? And more importantly, how do we actually benefit from this new financial system? Well, I've got you covered there. I am hosting a one-off exclusive podcast with 6 super specialists in cryptocurrencies. So we can all find out how we can use what I believe is the biggest opportunity in my investing career to not only grow our money, but protect it from future crises like this. And I've been investing for over 20 years. Look, the fact is our current monetary system is flawed and it needs a rescuing. So join me on Thursday the 9th of April, 3 p.m. UK time for a special podcast that will leave you knowing exactly how you can profit from cryptos and make sure you do not miss out of this huge transfer of wealth. Make sure that you are someone benefiting here because now is not the time to retreat and step back. It is the time to expand. And cryptos is an opportunity of a lifetime. So, click the registration button next to this video and secure your spot for what I believe will be one of the biggest money-making opportunities we have ever seen. This is a one-off podcast, so you really don't want to miss out. Get your friends and your family involved because what is going on right now with cryptocurrencies will change the lives of every human on Earth forever, especially what is about to happen in May. So remember, Thursday, the 9th of April, 3 p.m. UK time. Put it in the diary. Get yourself registered. I'll see you on the podcast.